Welcome to the SmartBackup End User Restore Guide video series. The series includes several short videos, each covering a specific restore scenario. In this video, we will show you how to restore deleted rows. Now let's switch over to a live sheet, and take a look at the process for restoring rows. Now, let's assume that a user happens to delete a few rows by mistake. As you've seen in earlier videos, if they then click Save, then those rows would be gone forever, if you did not have SmartBackup running. The way to restore deleted rows, especially when they have attachments and conversations, using SmartBackup, is to go to your SmartBackup Vault workspace, locate the most recent backup copy of the sheet, and then use the Save as New command, to create a new copy of the backup copy. Now you can open the copy of the backup sheet, then select the rows that you would like to restore. In this case, some of those rows include attachments and conversations. Then open the row command menu, and use the Move to Another Sheet command, and in this case you want to navigate to the live sheet, and click OK. Then the rows you selected will be moved to the live sheet. Now you can go back to the copy of the backup copy that you created, and delete that sheet, as it is no longer needed. Now you can switch back to the live sheet, then click the refresh link, so you can see the changes. Then if you scroll to the bottom of the sheet, you will see that the restored rows have been added to the bottom of the sheet, and they include the attachments and conversations. Now, at this point, you can select the restored rows and move them to their original location in the sheet. Next, click Save, and your rows have been restored. That brings us to the end of this video. You can find more details about SmartBackup on our website at www.aqworkflow.com. And, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your IT department. Thanks for watching.